Hey guys, how's it going? How y'all doing today? So today I wanted to make some envelopes with the faux leather that I've made in the past. I've been hoarding it, so I've been trying to figure out what to do with it, and so I made this cute little envelope. So I wanted to make one with you guys and show you how I made it. So I forgot to sew around the edges before I put it together, so this didn't get sewed. So I'm not sure what to do about that because it's not very sturdy. But I used a piece of coffee dyed paper on the inside, and I actually used cheesecloth on the inside under this. So I'm going to show you how I made it. I made another piece last night because I didn't have another piece that I wanted to use, and I just used the antiquing wax on this one, so it's like that's why it's so dark. I love it. Yeah, so let's use this one. And like I said, I used cheesecloth on the inside to make it more stable and sturdy. So and plus to cover this up. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to make this one as big as this one. I think I want it a little bit smaller. So let's make this one. This one is 8 inches. So let's make this one 6, I think. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm gonna cut this real quick and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, 6 inches. Actually, now I can make 2. So they're actually both 6 inches exactly. The other one I only had a little small piece left because I did 8 inches on that one. So yeah, let's make some envelopes. Like I said, I'm gonna use some cheesecloth on the inside, and of course probably have to use my heat gun to dry it. And actually we want to go this way because this is ripped. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sew around the edges this time, make sure I don't forget that. And then I'm going to do the cheesecloth, or I guess I should do the cheesecloth first before I sew around the edges. Okay, so I use Mod Podge to put it on, so I need to go ahead and cut 2 pieces out of this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. That way you don't have to watch me do this. Be right back. Okay, so I have my 2 pieces of cheesecloth. It doesn't have to go all the way up to the top because I'm going to be using a piece of the coffee dyed paper, and I think that one looks cool. Plus I have plenty of coffee dyed paper, so. Okay, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. And like I said, I used Mod Podge and my Mod Podge brush. And then I used my brayer to like smooth it out so that I didn't have to touch it. Oops. Yeah, this is going to be the bottom. Okay. Okay, so I got one piece glued down, and then set that aside and do the other one. I gotta hurry up because I gotta go get my groceries soon, and I want this to be drying while I'm out. Oops. Well, at least I'm on a Teflon sheet, right? I can clean that stuff right up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one real quick, go get my groceries, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, got my groceries, everything, ate breakfast, I'm good. So I went ahead and coffee dyed some little lace right here. I made some coffee dye in a little spray bottle, and that way I can just spray it on anything. Somebody said if you put alcohol in it, it's supposed to keep it from going rancid on you, so you can keep it longer. You don't have to keep making it every time. So I did that, and I melted my bottle. I don't know what I was thinking. It was early this morning. I just wasn't thinking not to put hot water in there. Duh, I just bought this bottle too. So, I mean, luckily they're only like $1 or something, but still. Anyway, so yeah, this one I'm just gonna fold up like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sew around the edges, and then I'm gonna get some coffee dyed paper. Oh, maybe I want to sew. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sew around the edges real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, so I sewed around the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and put the coffee dyed paper in. I'm only going to put it up to, not all the way down, just enough to where you can see inside a little bit. So I'm going to use my tear ruler. Hopefully I didn't make it too short. I don't think it needs to be that long. Okay, and then I'm going to round the corners. there we go. And just use my, yeah, I'll use that, my art glitter glue. There we go. Probably should have sewn around the edges on that too. I'm going to be sewing this lace on too. So I'm going to go ahead and ink up this lace a little bit. I'm going to use walnut stain on this one because it's darker. I used vintage photo on the other one. Okay, so there it is all sewed up. Zoom in a little bit. Very cute. I love it. It feels really real leather. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I inked up the cheesecloth and this label. I thought I would put it down here. I want it sticking up out of the top a little bit, like that. I thought that would be cute. Do you guys make your own faux leather or any kind of envelopes? How do you close them? Like, what do you do? Let me know, because I don't know how to close this. I know I could use Velcro, because I have little Velcro dots. But let me know what you guys do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. I wish I had a glue stick. I don't. I ran out. Oops. I definitely need to make more of these labels. I love these labels. This one from the video I did, one of my recent videos. I love it. I'm definitely going to be making more. I was looking through them and I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, I need to make more. I have a piece of sticker paper that I used. I was trying to make some labels. Finally finish out my man's sister's recipe book. And I messed up the labels, wasted a piece of sticker paper, but I can still use it because there's like a lot of white space left. So I'm going to go ahead and use that to stamp some or make some more stickers. There, put some more glue over here. I'm going to put this label on this one because, like I said, it seems like it needs something else because that's so small. So I'm going to go ahead and ink that label and put that one on there. And then I'm going to have this one for the other envelope that I need to finish up real quick. I'm going to do that one off camera. There, they're so cute. I love it. Okay, so there's one. I'm going to go ahead, whoops, my bad, and embellish this one some more. So I got a piece of lace here. It's almost dry. Let me hit it with the heat gun real quick. Okay, so I thought I would glue this lace onto here to make it look a little more finished. So I'm going to put some glue along the edge. I cut it a little too short. This one, for some reason, the glue soaks through, so it made it look like, well, a stain. Oh, that's what I wanted to do on this one, was see if I could spray it a little bit with coffee. Okay, that works. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and ink this one up with the vintage photo. Okay, so I glued on a piece of lace here on the edge of the envelope to make it a little more finished. Definitely like it. It looks cute. And then I'm going to glue this guy down here. There, that's much better. Yeah, that one's done. I like it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them, but Gonna put them in a journal. Yeah, so that one's done. This one's done. I'm gonna go ahead and I like that way that flaps actually. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other one off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, here they all are, all done. So I took a piece of coffee dyed paper and put it behind in the background of this, and then some more cheesecloth and a piece of thread, and I just glued it all down. And then this one I just put a piece of cheesecloth behind it. And then I added another label to this one since it's bigger to give it a little more something. Yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. And like I said, let me know how you close them. If you do, the 2 videos I watched, I don't think they even did a closure. So I'll probably just leave them. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. I don't really have a favorite. I love them all. They're so cute. This one I did mess up a little bit on the bobbin, ran out of thread. So I was trying to sew across to give it a little more, and I sewed it here too. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Leave me some comments and let me know some other ideas that you'd like to see me do, and like other faux leather ideas that you'd like to see me do with my faux leather that I make. Like I said, I've been holding on to this one for a while. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll be glad to do it for you. And give me thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.